1 gallon of gasoline weighs about 6.3 pounds. The gas tank of a Hummer H2 can hold 32 gallons of gas. How many pounds of gasoline does a Hummer H2 carry when its tank is full? First, let's highlight the important information. We know that 1 gallon of gas weighs 6.3 pounds, and the gas tank can hold 32 gallons. And we need to find out how many pounds of gasoline the Hummer carries when the tank is full. If we think of this in terms of copies of, what we have here are 32 copies of 6.3 pounds, which means we have a multiplication problem where we have to do 32 times 6.3. Let's set up our standard algorithm for multiplication. And remember, we will deal with the decimal point at the end. So as I go through this multiplication, I'm just going to pretend I'm doing 32 times 63. So watch the multiplication, and then at the end we'll talk about the decimal point. So we wind up with 2016 as our final answer. But remember, we have to deal with that decimal point. So we go back up and we look at the two numbers in the multiplication problem, the 32 and the 6.3. There's one decimal place, the 0.3. That means that our final answer also has to have one decimal place. So the 6 would be the one number in the decimal place or in the tenths place, which means I'm going to insert a decimal point right there in between the 1 and the 6, which gives me an answer of 201.6 or 201 6/10. So our final answer is that the Hummer H2 carries 201.6 pounds of gas when full.